out. Oh my gosh, look how many there are. They are having a great time for play day. We love our little Yorkies and their short little legs. I mean, look at them. How cute are they? A Yorkie is hypoallergenic. They are non-shedding. There is a reason that they are number one across America for dog breeds to have. They are cute. They are loyal. They are playful. And every single one of them has a different little personality. I mean, just look at that little guy. He's sticking his tongue out at us. The other guys are just doing their own thing. Some of them are hiding under the couch. I mean, look at this little guy. His little tongue is so cute. It is the cutest little puppy. We've got one chocolate Yorkie back there. Look at him. That is rare to see. We love to see it, though. And a chocolate Yorkie is just like any person with their parents. They just happen to be the one that got all of the recessive genes, and it just worked out perfectly. Just as sweet as chocolate he can be. Why don't we watch and see which ones have the most lively personalities, which ones are a little spunky, which ones are a little sassy. Let's get to know all of the little Yorkies we have here. It is such a great litter. There are actually about 3 litters in here right now, and we cannot wait to find homes for every single one of them. Every single one of these guys, you can give us a call at 678-253-4081. If you see them in this video, it is because they are ready for homes right now. They are up to date on all their shots. It means that they are microchipped, up to date on dewormer. All they need is someone to play with and a home that they can be in love with you and you in love with them. Oh, look at those guys in the back. Hey, they are ready to be able to climb up on your big couch and not have to deal with their teeny tiny couches that are just their size. They want a spot on your couch to come next to you. Give us a call at 678-253-4081. This is Sweet Georgia Puppies. Personalities each one of these brings to the table during our little puppy play day videos. Have a great rest of your day and enjoy watching.